Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are safe and keeping well. In today's video, sharing with you all another beautiful 4-bedroom detached property, and this is from Miller Homes. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end, it could be useful to you. The location details are shared in the description. Now going with the floor plans. In the ground floor you have living, kitchen and dining, 3 separate rooms. You also have a water closet. On the first floor you have 4 bedrooms, 2 double bedrooms with 1 master bedroom having ensuite facilities and 2 small bedrooms with a common bathroom. Now as you enter the house, you'll find a hall in front of you with good space. There are different partitions made towards your living room, kitchen and dining. You can also find the staircase right in front of you which leads to the upstairs. Now let's explore the living room. As you can see, the living room is quite spacious and lengthy. 2 to 3 sofa sets can fit in easily and there's plenty of room to walk around. You also have the garden access through the French doors. There's a beautiful window towards one side, so there's plenty of light and air movement in this room. I really like this kind of planning wherein you get the garden access both from the living room and also the kitchen, because you get plenty of light in the room and it makes you feel more lively. Since you have another spacious room in the ground floor which can be used as dining or study, you can maximize the living room space. Overall, a beautiful living room with good space. Now moving towards other rooms. As you come out of the living room, in front of you you'll find a small room with a door. The mains of the house are provided in here and there's some kind of like storage space at the bottom. Now as you walk ahead, you'll find a washroom towards your right side. This is actually the space under the staircase which is converted into the washroom. Now opposite to the washroom you have the dining room in the ground floor. It's got a good space. A dining table with 6 to 8 chairs can fit in easily and there's plenty of room to walk around. If you observe in most of the properties, you won't have this additional living room. Instead of this, they provide either garage or they just skip away. So I really like this idea of having additional living room in the ground floor. You know, you can convert it into as a dining space or study, anything. It's always good to have extra space inside the house. So they also provided beautiful windows on both the sides, plenty of light and air movement in this room. This is all about the dining room. Now moving towards the kitchen. So the kitchen is just behind this dining room. A very spacious kitchen with all the modern facilities included. You have plenty of cupboards at the bottom and even on the top. So a lot of storage can go in easily. As you can see, you have the garden access through these French doors. It's again a beautiful view. It makes you feel very live and connected. And there's plenty of light in the room. For some reason in this particular showroom they choose the dark colors and also dark interiors, which slightly reduce the brightness. But when you actually plan your house, you can have your own color choice. You can go for lighter colors which give you plenty of light inside the room. You also have this integrated oven and also refrigerator fitted in, which comes in with all the properties. Overall, a beautiful kitchen, and if you can observe, all the rooms in the ground floor have got plenty of space. Now moving towards the first floor. Now as you climb up the stairs, in front of you, you have a small room with door, and inside this you have your boiler fitted in. At the bottom you have some storage space as well. So next to this small room you have your master bedroom. This is a double bedroom and it's got your ensuite facilities. The space in the master bedroom is quite good. A double cot fits in easily and there's plenty of room to walk around. As you can see, there's a window towards one side from where you get that fresh light and air. Towards the other side you have this bathroom attached with all the facilities in it. The space in the bathroom is quite okay. You have a walk-in shower, water closet and also a wash basin. Now towards the other side of the room you have your inbuilt cupboards fitted in. This has got only the hanging stuff. When you actually go for your inbuilt cupboards, you can choose different options. Like you can have additional cupboards also fitted inside. So this is all about the master bedroom. Now moving towards other rooms. Now beside the master bedroom you have the common bathroom. This is a spacious one. You have the bathtub, sink and also the water closet. There's a window towards one side. Beside the common bathroom, we have the second double bedroom of the house. This room has got plenty of space in length. It looks quite big actually. So towards one side you can have your double cot bed and a small table. There's still a lot of room to walk around. On both the sides you have two different windows, so the light and air movement are really good. Now towards the other side of the room you have a small inbuilt cupboard. This is provided with a door and a lock. So you got this half storage space inside. You can use it wisely. As I told you in the beginning, this room has got some extra space. So this is the corner which you get extra here. They have kept the inbuilt cupboards here. You can use same way, or you can go for a dressing table and use it as a dressing corner or something like that. So this is all about the second double bedroom. Now moving towards other rooms. This is the third bedroom of the house. The size is smaller compared to the master bedroom and the second double bedroom. So this can be used as a kid's room. A cot can fit in easily and you have some space to walk around. There is a window towards one side, so the ventilation is really good. If you have only one kid, then the kid can use the second double bedroom and this can be used as your storeroom, computer room, gaming room or whatever you want to. This is all about the third bedroom. Now moving towards the fourth bedroom of the house. This fourth bedroom is smaller than the third one, so they converted it into a study. It's still got a window on one side, so the light and air movement are really good. Once you own a property, it's totally up to you how you want to convert each and every room as per your requirement and your family requirements. So we covered all the rooms in this property. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you don't miss out on my new uploads. Thanks for watching. Stay connected. See you in another vlog.